Hi there, welcome. So if you are working in Oracle Fusion HCM or Payroll, then fast formula is one of the most important skills you can learn because almost every real world Oracle Fusion implementation depends on fast formula for custom logics. Everything eventually comes back to fast formula, and this is exactly where many consultants struggle. Most people learn fast formula by copying code from old projects, searching random blogs, trial and error. But they never truly understand how formulas actually work, how context control DBIs, how payroll processing sequence behaves, how arrays and loops work internally, how to debug formulas professionally, how formulas communicate with payroll runtime. This is the gap this course is designed to solve. Now, one of the very important thing before we continue, if you are looking to learn Oracle implementation or payroll configuration, then course is not designed for that. This course is specifically focused on Oracle Fusion Fast Formula. Our main focus here is writing formulas, understanding formula logics, debugging formulas, and mastering fast formulas concept used in real projects. So if your goal is to become strong in fast formulas specifically, then this is the right place. You are in the right course. This course is not just about syntax. This course is designed to teach you how to think like a real Oracle Fusion consultant, how formulas behave during execution, how to build reusable and dynamic logic, how to troubleshoot real project issues, and most importantly, how to become confident writing formulas from scratch. In this course, we will cover absolute basics and gradually move into the advanced concepts. So in this course, we will cover from the start. I will write a simple fast formula to get you started and get you comfortable with the fast formulas. Then I will explain how we link fast formulas with the elements. Then I will cover the syntax of the fast formulas, what are assignment status, what are local variables. Then we will see what all different kind of data types are available in fast formula. Then we will see what are input variables, what are return variables, what are different kind of operators available in fast formula like arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators. Then I will explain you how to do debugging in fast formula, how we can do the looping in Oracle fast formula using while loop. Then we have reserve keywords in Oracle fast formula then that we need to know. Then we will see what are functions in Oracle fast formula. Then we will see how we can call another fast formula from one fast formula. It's called parent-child formula. Then we will see how we can use database items in fast formula. We will see what is the purpose of alias in fast formula. Then another very important concept, why we use was defaulted in fast formula. Then we will see how we can access the lookups, UDTs, user defined tables in fast formula, and also we can access Fusion tables because Fusion, or it's on the cloud. We don't have direct access to the database just like we used to have in EBS. So we can still access the tables using a way to write SQL queries through value sets. So I will explain you how we can access the value sets and write our own SQL queries inside the fast formula. Then how we return error warning on information messages from fast formula. Then there is a new concept called working storage areas. I will explain you how we can use work storage areas in fast formula. Then very important concept called context. This is a new thing in Fusion which was not there before in EBS. What are context? Why do we use it? And what is the importance of it? Then we have different formula types and mapping with the database item. This is also very important. You need to know this because some database items will not be available in some formula types. So you need to know how it works. Then we will see another important concept called arrays. How we use arrays in the fast formula, either as a local variable, input variable, return variable, and there are array DBIs as well, database items. So I will explain you how this works. And lastly, I will also show you an example of element input validation formula type. Okay, so one thing that makes this course special is that we focus heavily on taking it from absolute basic and beginner level to more advanced concepts. I will not only show you what to write, I will explain why we write it, how Oracle process it internally, and how these concepts are used in real implementations. So whether you are a beginner starting fast formula for the first time, an Oracle HCM consultant, a payroll consultant, a support resource, or someone preparing for Oracle interviews related to fast formula, this course will give you a very strong foundation. By the end of this course, you will be able to read and understand existing formulas, create your own formulas confidently, debugging payroll issues, work with advanced formula concepts, and handle real implementation scenarios professionally. My name is Ehsan Riaz and I will be your instructor in this course. I have more than 12 to 14 years of experience in Oracle ERP. Before I used to work in Oracle EBS, on-premise ERP of Oracle. I was certified consultant for EBS as well. And now I'm working on Oracle Fusion since last few years, and I'm also certified Oracle Payroll Cloud Consultant on Fusion as well. I'm also Oracle ACE Professional. This Oracle gives to the people who contribute to the Oracle community. And also I already have few of the best-selling courses on Udemy for Oracle Fusion HCM training, Oracle Fusion Payroll Costing, and also the introduction of Oracle Fusion. So I will be your instructor in this course. So let's begin this journey and master one of the most important technical functional skills in Oracle Fusion HCM and Payroll, called Oracle Fast Formula. So don't waste more time. I will wait for you in the course. Thank you.